Assalamu alaikum students, hope all of you will be fine. This is Javed Zulfikar, your mathematics teacher for class 7. Today this lecture is about Maths Magic Oxford series. So this lecture is about exercise 1.3 and question number 1. We will solve question number 1 with the help of Venn diagram. Introduction of, basically this lecture is for introduction of Venn diagram of subsets, Venn diagram of two subsets. Like this, if question number 1 is illustrated by Venn diagram when A and B. Student, we have to focus that all the elements of A are present in B. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So A is the subset of set B. Clear? So we will make Venn diagram like this. So first of all, we have A part is A union B. So in A union B, what we will do, we will combine all the sets A or A and B. But we will write for one times. Clear? If there is any element that is present in both the set, we will write one time in our obtained set. So A is 1, 2, 3, union B is 1, 2, 3, 4. So by combining, we get the union 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in A union B, we will combine all the elements of set A and B. So in Venn diagram, set A and set B will represent, because A is the subset of B. Yes. So A will be inside of set B. So when we take union, both the set will be the answer. Both the set will combine. So we will shade both the set like this. Clear, all the student? This is the Venn diagram of union of two subset. Clear? Okay. So next, A intersection B. In intersection, we will first of all, I want to introduce that intersection. Intersection is not a new word. You people already listening. The intersection point, two lines intersect each other at one point like this. Clear? The intersection of first and second line like this. So now we are going to studying about intersection of two sets. So in intersection of two sets, we will take the common element of these two sets. Clear, all the students? In intersection of two sets, we will take the common elements of these sets. Clear? But that is present in both the sets. But we will write for one time in our new set like this. A 1, 2, 3, B 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer will be the common element of these two sets 1, 2, 3. Okay, students. Now 1, 2, 3 is the common elements of these two sets. In 1, 2, 3, look. 1, 2, 3 are the element of set A or B. Must see. These are the element of set A. So the answer will be A. So we will shade A set. Clear, all the students? So in A intersection B, A will be the answer. Clear? So because this is the common area of that A and B. Clear? In B minus A, this is not exactly B minus A or A minus B. This is what? Difference. A minus B or A difference B. Elements that are in A but not in B. Clear? Elements that are in A not in B. That will be A difference B, and B difference A. Elements that are in B and not in A. This is called B difference A. Clear, all the students? Okay, now B difference A is basically the set elements that are in B not in A. Clear? And B difference A. So 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 will be cancelled, and 4 and 5 are the elements that are present in B but not in A. So that will be the answer. Clear? So B difference A, we will 4 and 5 are the element of A or B. Must see. These are the element of B. So B set will come. Clear? We will shade set B and A set will remain as it is. Clear? So this is the B difference A, and in A difference B we will shade A. Clear? But if there is any empty set, if the difference of A minus A difference B and B difference A is the answer of empty set, we will not shade anyone, and the whole area remain unshaded. Clear? That is very important for you. So this is about question number 1. C part I miss, you people will solve by yourself with same method. Clear? That will be your homework also. So till next lecture आप लोगों ने इसकी अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करनी है ताकि आप लोगों को ये वेन डायग्राम आ जाए। और सॉल्व करने से पहले ये ज़रूर चेक करना है क्या ये सबसेट है, क्या ये डिसजॉइंट है, क्या ये थोड़ा बहुत इनमें ओवरलैपिंग है। क्लियर? सो फिर आपने सॉल्व करना है। सो टिल नेक्स्ट लेक्चर मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए। उम्मीद है कि आपको समझ आया होगा। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़।